Yeah, that's me right now. I got sick. I caught some crazy virus. I got tested for the flu. I got tested for COVID. It all came back negative. But man, I was on my ass. I'm still on my ass. And it's been, I want to say, almost 2 weeks now where I've just been feeling this way. And it's really crummy because I was doing so well with everything. I was working out consistently. My dieting was good. I was getting enough sleep every night. And then to wake up and not feel like yourself anymore, it just completely discourages you, throws you off of everything. Life does this to us quite often at times. I've injured myself multiple times where I've had to kind of just slow down, take a break. Not spoken about enough is the toll that this takes on your brain and on your discipline. It makes you feel like your purpose is lost. You're forced to slow down and be mediocre. You're forced to rest. Until you rest, you'll live to fight another day and all this other stuff. But in that moment, you're really just feeling it. You're feeling depressed. You're feeling anxious. You're feeling, I want to do stuff, but my body just does not want to cooperate with me. In your head, you're thinking, man, all this progress that I have made, I'm losing it right now. Well, it happens. And that's kind of where I'm at right now, is accepting the fact that I have been sick and these things happen. I feel like one of the most challenging things about being sick, besides the actual physical and mental depletion, is the fact that you turn to things that bring you short-term joy. You don't have much of a choice. You can't move around as you used to, and you're not working out, obviously, so your mind seeks stimulation in other places. I just ended up starting to doom scroll. Ended up watching a lot of TV, a lot of Netflix. I've been binging seasons of shows, and I've just been doing so many bad things, it's not even funny. So if you're feeling this way, if you're sick or injured or just down in the dumps in general, whatever it may be, know this: you're going to be okay. This sickness does not beat you. You beat it. You overcome all these bumps. You overcome all of this. You will be able to perform just as well, if not better, than what you were before, prior to getting sick. Just give yourself some time. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with your body. Hydrate, read, do whatever it is you need to do. But don't get discouraged. It's going to be okay. Promise. Coming from a guy who's still kind of sick. Anyways, take care, y'all. Be easy. Peace.